Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're making tandoori chicken Taj Food style. So without further ado, let's begin.
I'm hungry.
If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. The ingredients that we need for our chicken tandoori consists of 1 kg chicken, 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 4 tablespoons of oil, half a lemon juice, and spices. Firstly, add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste to the chicken. Followed by that, add half a lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Then add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Let's move on to the yummy spices. These consist of 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of orange food coloring, and finally half a teaspoon of turmeric. So add that to your chicken. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and leave to marinate for at least 4 hours or overnight for a better taste. In the meantime, let's move on to our potatoes. So cut them in wedges like so. To the potatoes, add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of paprika, then add quarter teaspoon of salt, and finally add 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix them thoroughly. Here we are after 4 hours, time to cook the chicken and potatoes.
I'm hungry.
Bake the chicken and the potatoes in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Here we are after 30 minutes and our chicken and potatoes are ready. Can't wait to dig in. Hope you love it. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share for more lovely recipes.
I'm hungry.